In this video, you'll learn how to auto-delete your Google Workspace search history so you don't have to worry about clearing it manually all the time. We'll go through the process step by step, and by the end, your account will automatically clean up older activity for you in the background. First, you'll want to open a browser and go to Google's My Activity page. You can get there by typing My Activity into Google and clicking the official result, or by going directly to myactivity.google.com. If you're not already signed in to your Google Workspace account, you'll be asked to log in. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one Google or Workspace profile. Once you're on the My Activity page, you'll see a dashboard that shows different types of data Google saves about your activity. What we're interested in is called Web and App Activity. This is where searches and many other interactions across Google services are stored. Look for the section labeled Web and App Activity and click on it to open the detailed settings. On the Web and App Activity page, you'll see whether this setting is currently turned on or off, and you'll also see information about what's being saved. Just below that, or alongside it, depending on your layout, you'll find an option that says Auto Delete. It might say Auto Delete Off if you haven't set it up before, or Auto Delete On if it's already enabled. Go ahead and click on that Auto Delete option. A new window or panel will open where you can choose how long Google should keep your web and app activity before it's automatically removed. This is the core of what we're setting up. You'll see three main options for how long your data is kept: 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. 18 months is usually the default, but you can adjust this to match your comfort level. If you prefer more privacy and want your recent activity only, choose 3 months. This keeps a shorter history while still allowing Google services to personalize things like search suggestions based on recent usage. If you'd like a longer record for convenience, such as seeing older searches or activity, you can pick 36 months instead. And if you're fine with the default balance between history and privacy, you can leave it at 18 months. Take a moment to read any short explanation Google shows under each option, just so you're clear on what will happen. Remember, this only affects how long your web and app activity is stored before being deleted automatically going forward. It won't change your other Google history settings like location history or YouTube history, which each have their own controls. Once you've selected the duration you're comfortable with, click the Next button. You may see a brief summary explaining that activity older than the period you chose will be automatically deleted on an ongoing basis. This is just a confirmation step to make sure you understand what you're applying to your account. If everything looks good, click Confirm to save your changes. Google will then apply that auto-delete schedule to your web and app activity. From now on, as your activity ages past the 3, 18, or 36-month mark you selected, it will be removed without you needing to do anything else. That's all you need to do. You've successfully set up auto-deletion for your Google Workspace search and app activity, helping you keep your account a bit cleaner and more private over time.